Have you got the latest version of Zoom? Here's how to download it. You can download here. There's a link in the description to this video just to download Zoom. And if you are using Linux or a Mac, then there are buttons there. Once again, check the link. But if you've already got Zoom installed and you just want to be on the latest version, here is how to do that. We check this update page, and I'm going to show you how to do it on the Mac OS or on Windows or on Linux, and really easy. You just go into your Zoom app here and click on your name up the top right there, or if you've got a photo there, you've got a profile picture, then your profile picture will be there, and you just go check for updates. Really easy. And hey, I'm already on the latest version, and that tells you what's new as well. But if you're not on that latest version, then that's how to do it. So really simple. Always a good idea to keep up to date with your Zoom app just for security purposes and new features. So once again, in Zoom itself, in the description for this video, you've got a link to this page which has got how to download Zoom or update to the latest Zoom version. Oh, a quick thing, if you want to update automatically, I think that's always a good idea. Go into Zoom once again and then into settings here. This is on your laptop, and under general here, under this general tab, you've got the option here to update automatically. Okay, so you toggle that on, and these are the stable or the more stable updates, the slow ones. But if you want to get the absolute latest when there are new updates, then you can go for fast there. And so that is really worth doing too. So update app automatically, and then you'll never have to do it manually yourself again. Now, once you toggle that on, then you don't need to press save or anything. That's automatically going to update.